Hello and welcome to Tvaritam.AI. In this video, we will understand how to import a trained model into our environment and use it to make predictions. We will also see how to download a model report that includes pre-processing steps and configuration details along with prediction outputs and information about any invalid inputs. To begin, go to the File section and select the Load Model option. Now once you click on Load Model here, you would be redirected to open the model that you have trained. So I'll go into my download section where I've trained a model, that is my random forest model trained within the environment beforehand. Now you can either run predictions where you would be asked to upload the test CSV files, or you can save the model report. Once you click on save model report, you will get the option to download model report, and I can save this as random forest report. Now this report can be used as it saves all the pre-processing steps, hyperparameters and overall model configuration. This is useful if you want to review how the model was built, and this PDF is helpful because it ensures traceability. It removes documentation overhead and ensures reproducibility if you want to again train a similar model. Now going back to uploading the data, here now we have to select the CSV files about our testing data. So first is customer ID, education region. These are the features that it will match, and here I will have to upload two files. Now if you have trained using a single CSV file, a single unified dataset, then you just need to upload a similar dataset without the target label, and target label would be there in the prediction output. But if you have used multiple datasets to train a data, you can again upload multiple datasets as you used while training, and it will automatically merge according to the rules that you have defined while you were training the model. So first file that I will upload would be about demographics, customer ID, education, region, these kind of columns. So I will go into the select option and I will select the demographics CSV file. It will automatically map the features by comparing the name of the columns. Update feature names, and now we have to select the second CSV file. This time we will select the behavior CSV file and click on update feature names and run prediction. Once you click on run prediction, it is making the real-time predictions, and it says predictions ready for saving along with all the data that were discarded with their cost. So here we will save predictions. It will ask us for the path, and here I'll select this folder, and result have been saved successfully. Now when we go back and we want to have a look at the results, we have two CSV files. Results, I will open this file and you will see that we have all the columns and we have the target variable as predicted here as churn. Now this is your usual predictions. Additionally, you get an error file, that is invalid data, which is those rows that the model was not able to predict. This happens because there could be some issues with the data and your model was not able to go through and make predictions. These rows are discarded, and you can go to the data. You can look at what was the reason for these rows being discarded, and you can then decide what to do, if you want to retrain the model or if you want to change the data. So here we can see new value Midwest found during one-hot encoding. So there was an issue that one-hot encoding that we did during our training. There were 4 labels, and let's say Northwest, East, South, and we got Midwest as a new entry which our model was not able to identify or able to encode. Similarly, here we can see there was a log transformation applied to the income column, and because of these negative values, the model was unable to do the same while training or while making the real-time predictions. Now, as you know, these rows you can either go back and retrain the model with these constraints if you want to add, or you can change the dataset. If this is a error, then you can again re-upload the test data and make the predictions accordingly. All pre-processing steps that were defined during the training, such as encoding, scaling, transformation, or any kind of imputation, these are automatically applied during the prediction. This ensures consistency between how the model was trained and how it would be used in production. However, as you can see, there are some rows that have been discarded because system does not apply any new or additional transformations beyond that was defined during the training. For example, as you can see, it will not handle unseen categories, fix invalid values, or apply new imputations. So this is intentional because we do not want issues to arise in a way that our model automatically does some pre-processing and then it could lead to bias or incorrect results. So this allows you to stay in control. You can either correct the data or rerun the predictions, and you could also update and retrain the model to handle new patterns that you can see on the rejected rows. Thank you.